Hey everybody, I recently purchased a new vehicle, a 2012 Volvo XC70, and I thought I would take you along the journey of what I do with a car when I purchase it. Being a detailer at heart and someone who's passionate about the appearance of a vehicle, I go to extreme lengths to take care of the cars that I have. So this, like I said, 2012 Volvo XC70, 167,000 miles. This is one of those cars that for those of us that are enthusiasts, you see photos of a car for sale online and you're not necessarily even looking to buy a car, but you look at it and you're like, man, that car looks amazing. But then you go look at it in person and it's not the same. Well, this was the same. When I saw this car, again, 167,000 miles, in the photos it looked brand new and in person it looked brand new. This car has had such great care taken visually of its appearance over time that I felt obligated to purchase the car. So one of the things I'm passionate about is vehicles that are older, high mileage, but have been well cared for visually. So this car was a perfect fit for me. I've been a Volvo enthusiast since the mid-2000s when Jen and I purchased our first Volvo, a 1998 Volvo V70R, unique car that I didn't really know a whole lot about, but I thought it looked cool, so we ended up buying it and kind of brought me into the Volvo world with one of their more special vehicles that they've made. So here I am with yet another Volvo. This is, I think, my fifth or sixth Volvo that I've purchased, and I was looking for a car that I could use for road trips. I currently drive a 91 Mazda Miata, which I love. It's a great fun car to drive on the back roads. It just doesn't go down dirt roads very well, as you would expect. So I feel limited when I take that car, being able to just go explore wherever I can. This car is going to meet that need for me. So I'm going to take you through the journey of what that all looks like.